If you've never used a safety squat bar before, here are 3 reasons you should try one the next time you're in the gym. First, and the most obvious one, it can really spare the joints of your upper body. For many powerlifters, the low bar squat can really aggravate the shoulders, elbows, and wrists, especially among bigger, heavier lifters, especially when done multiple times per week. The handles on the safety bar are in a much friendlier position for the upper body, and that makes this an excellent tool to replace some of those sessions and still get a lot of your squat volume in that way. Secondly, it's a much more natural squat pattern for most people. And what do I mean by that? I mean the position of the arms and the distribution of the weight make it a much less globally extended movement than the low bar squat. It makes it feel more similar to something like a goblet squat and can really take stress off of the lower back and hips while still hitting the prime movers of your competition squat very effectively. And finally, and perhaps most appealing, it's simply a lot harder than a competition squat. The forward camber of the safety bar squat usually means that it hits the quads a lot harder. Additionally, the way the bar wants to fold you forward can really tax the spinal erectors in your upper back. Because of this, people notice a lot of carryover not only to their squat, but their deadlift as well. Well, I hope this convinces you to pick this bar up the next time you're in a gym that has one. Just don't forget that they're usually 65 pounds. Be sure to follow Outlier Strong for upcoming content, and be sure to let me know what you want to see more of in the comments below.